Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see profile lock pin on Netflix. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Netflix now lets you protect your profile with a pin, keeping other people on your account from accessing your home screen and personalized experiences. This feature was announced as part of the service's update parental control and should prevent your viewer from finding their way into a parent profile where major content is accessible. But what if you forgot your lock pinned on your profile on Netflix? How to see it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Netflix. Now, as you can see in here, I have two profiles. This one is locked and I forgot it. If you want to see the lock pin, you can just tap on forgot pin and you can enter your Netflix password. Tap on continue. So here's your profile lock pin on your TikTok. You can go back and you can just enter the pin. So simple, right? So that is how to view your profile lock pin on your Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.